Today I'm going to make baked potato fries, which is fun, delicious, a little bit of spice to it. Remember, you could make a lower glycemic index potato by cooking, then cooling overnight, and then reheating. I've got 4 potatoes that are already cooked that I'm just going to slice. Now I'm going to slice them lengthwise, making them into little fries. So you can leave them this long, or you can cut the whole thing in half. It's totally up to you. We'll leave these long though. Now that I've got these all sliced up, I'm going to start adding some spices. I love my herbs, and I'm going to add a teaspoon of sage and rosemary, a teaspoon of oregano and basil, and it's usually cheaper to get it from the health food store. I'm also going to add 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder and garlic powder. I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of chipotle powder. It gives it that nice kick, but you don't want to overdo. I'm going to be super generous with my cumin and do 2 teaspoons and 2 teaspoons of chili powder. So the chili powder will make these more like chili fries, right? With so many spices in there, you probably don't need to add a lot of salt. I'm only adding 1/2 teaspoon, along with 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. You can always use olive oil or coconut oil, but today I'm going to use avocado oil, which has a very similar profile to olive oil. So I'm going to add 4 tablespoons, basically 1 tablespoon per potato. You can always add less. I like to have the moisture, so I like having enough of the avocado oil. So once you've got everything coated, you can just kind of spread these out on a cookie sheet. So after you've got them all spread out, you're going to bake them in your oven at 425 degrees for 20 minutes. Turn these about every 5 minutes, or at least halfway through, and that way you'll get some nice browning all over. So this is what they look like fresh out of the oven. Spicy and delicious. Thanks for watching. Feel free to comment, like, or subscribe. Until next time, love yourself, eat real food.